Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about cancellations. So let's get right into it. Stay tuned.
So Tony, why did your 9 a.m. customer cancel on you?
He works down the hill and he didn't have an extra vehicle to drive down the hill, so he was gonna borrow one of his parents' vehicles or something like that. But they needed their vehicle, so he didn't have a vehicle to borrow. So yeah, he needed his vehicle to get to work. So that's why.
And does this happen often with that customer?
No, this is the first time actually.
So when they canceled, how did it make you feel?
At the moment, I was a bit like bummed out because it was very last minute. It was like 9 p.m. and stuff, and so far we haven't been able to. So it's the next day already, and we haven't been able to book someone in. So it's already like 10 a.m. and we're kind of just using the free time to record these videos because his appointment was from like 9 a.m. all the way to like around 10ish a.m. and our next appointment is at 10:30. So we have all this free time. We weren't able to schedule someone in.
So when this happens and you're not recording videos, what do you do with that free time?
So either we use it to fill up on water, go get something to eat, some breakfast or something, detail store, see if we need anything, and then also answer back phone calls and messages, try to see if we can book anyone else in, and that's pretty much it.
When your clients cancel on you, does that affect the way you schedule? Like right now, you're pushing people forward?
Yeah, I'm trying. So it does affect because it's either I have to try to get someone to fill in their spot, and if I can't get someone to fill in their spot, then I'll have to ask my other clients that scheduled for the day if they can move up closer. That way I'm not just like a sitting duck here wasting time. So our next guy, the 1031, he couldn't move up closer because he's at work, and it's a work trip that we're doing, so he needs the truck to like get things in and out. So we're gonna be in his way if we're detailing his truck while he needs it and whatnot. So we just left it at 10:30, and then the next person after him, we booked out our lunch break after that work truck detail. So now that we basically took our lunch break right now before the work truck detail, I'm gonna cancel out that lunch break from the afternoon and try to scoot everyone else forward. I'm gonna ask them right now and see if that works for everyone else, and then that should make some room to either try to fit someone else in at the end of the day or just make the day finish the day off earlier.
So for this cancellation and the client, did you take a deposit?
No. This is the one that canceled for 9 a.m. is a maintenance client that we've been having for like about 2 years. So he's usually like pretty reliable and never like any issues. No, usually never cancels. So yeah, we don't really, with our maintenance clients that we've had for a long time, we don't really ask for deposits, especially when we do them often. But so yeah, no.
Yeah. Hey Tony, so have you heard like in your detailing network or other detailers, are they having the same issue with cancellations or?
I feel like, yeah, there's a couple. I've seen a couple like of my friends have like detailing friends have those type of same issues. I guess it's just part of business. It happens, and that's why we set policies to try to prevent that. But you know, it still happens anyways.
And I mean, you didn't seem pretty upset that they canceled, but have other details mentioned to you like, oh man, I get mad because they canceled on me? And
yeah, I feel like I've seen other detailers get pretty upset. It just really depends on the person and the detailer. I personally didn't get too upset just because he's been a long-time client, reliable, like I said. He's always like on time and everything, and no issues. So it's like kind of like a one-time thing type of thing. But if let's say he would cancel often, then that does upset me a bit more. Then I would like be a little more skeptic on booking him in, and then I would for sure, even though let's say he would cancel frequently, I would start charging him like the full payment basically up front. That way, if he does cancel, then we at least get the full payment and we don't have to lose our time and the money.
Got it. So will you be working again with this customer?
Yeah, we're gonna book him in for next month, and then we'll just basically be back to go, like ready to go.
So Tony, when's the next time you'll be able to book this customer? Next week or?
possibly in like 2-3 weeks we might be up here once again, but if not, then it'd have to be like next month, because we're only up here in the high desert like once a month. But unless we have like a big job or something, then we'll come up for a big job, and then if we might be able to squeeze him in that big job. But well, I'll have to see like see if we have enough time or not.
Yeah. So when someone cancels, they can't reschedule right away or like the following week?
It just depends on their area. It depends on what city they're in, and how often we're in there. So yeah, just that's what it comes down to. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. That's how we deal with our cancellations. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys deal with your cancellations. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.